Hey guys, welcome to my channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this video is another video on Hedge Expert, and I thought that let me create this video because we completed almost 11 months with the CA on the same account and Hedge Expert. So like people like who are watching my video for the first time, guys, I used to show the results from scratch from single account. It's not something that I'm showing like 2 days report or the trading activity from another account or one from other account and something like that. Okay, so I'm showing you everything, and it's all that you can see in my videos. I used to show it from scratch from the start. Okay, so let's not waste time, and the people who are watching my video for the first time and the people who used to watch my video, this is for them. I am starting from scratch again. Okay, so we deposited $4,000 on 17th of July, but we started trading from 19th of July last year 2021. Okay, so let's start from here. I need to go a little faster, guys, because this is a this is a history. This is account history of 11 months. Okay, so I need to go a little faster. I would not be able to just concentrate on just one trade. I need to go it a little faster. However, you can tally these trades, or you can verify these trades when I upload the report, and you know that I usually upload the report at the end. Okay, so you can verify whatever I am showing you here is there. Okay, so it might take some time because 11 months trading activity, so it's too much. So guys, like as we know, like as we can see the market situation right now, I mean a lot of things happening, and since the war situation started, after that the economic conditions that is reflected in forex activities, right? Like what is forex trading? Like forex is foreign exchange when you are trading one currency pair with the other one, right? So suppose it's Euro GBP, so whatever is going on in Europe and whatever is going on in UK, right, that is being reflected in this currency, right? If you're using it, like if Euro is doing very well, then you will see that Euro will be strong against other pairs, like either with GBP or either USD or maybe AUD, right? And in case if AUD is doing much better than Europe, then probably AUD might be doing better, and in that case the price of Australian dollar will appreciate against against the euro, right? And the same thing, if GBP and AUD, UK and Australia both are doing very well, then whoever is doing better will get an edge. Their price is will be a little higher than the other one. I would not say higher, I would say appreciate in the value, right? Because there is always a difference between the price of two currencies. So I would not say higher or lower, but appreciate or depreciate in the value. That depends on what their economy is doing, how much they are developing, or if they are progressing or not. So forex is all about the reflection of whatever is going on in the economy of the concerned countries. So don't stick to just one currency pair that you like, Euro USD, okay, or maybe you like GBP USD to trade. No, don't do that, because in forex we are here for making profit. So like whoever is providing you profit with lesser risk is better for you. But I came across many people, or they used to ask me that I want to trade with these pairs only, and it doesn't matter like whether they lose or what. So here we are, we all in forex just to make some profit. So don't ever, be very attached to a specific currency pair, that you like that currency pair, that is why you would not that you want to trade with that pair. No, don't do that. And here I would say that I have taken these 4 pairs, but that doesn't mean that it is going to trade in just in these 4 pairs. And I'm trading on H4, then it doesn't mean that you need to trade on H4 only. Okay, this is just that when I started trading with this EA on this particular account, I started with these 4 pairs, and later on I wanted to change the pairs, and I wanted to change the settings, I wanted to change the time frame, but since like it was already like few months, then I thought that let it continue just to show the consistency. Otherwise, in the meantime, if I would have changed the things, the result would have been different. But this is with the same setting that I'm showing you. But like since like we are about to complete 1 year next month, maybe after that I will make some changes in the setting, and maybe we'll create start creating video from any other account with other currency pairs in different settings with different time frames. So that is due on me, like it is almost 11 months. Today is 17th of June 2022, and we started on 19th of July 2021. So maybe next month we will be completing 1 year, and later on, maybe after a couple of months, I will start running Hedge Expert again on a different account with some different kind of settings and with different kind of result, a different type of result in fact. Okay, so as I usually suggest that trading, there is no guarantee in trading, like right, like people come to make money, but yes, like any other investment, it involves risk, and in forex trading it involves much higher risk. If you cannot take risk, then better you invest in government bonds and securities. Forex is 10 times, I would say 10 times, it carries 10 times higher risk than any other investment, because you trade on leverage, right? With an investment of $100, you are taking a leverage of 500. That is 100 into 500. That is 50,000 US dollars you are trading by investing just $100. So just think, if the market is in your favor, you are making that much a kind of profit. But if the market is against you, then how soon that you can lose that $100? I'm not saying you to trade with $100. No, if you want to trade with $100, better use cent account. Some people ask me like how much equity will be sufficient. So nothing is sufficient in forex market. Okay, so there is nothing called sufficient thing, right? Forex market moves on its own, it goes on its own, and as I said, it reflects whatever is going on in their economy with those countries, the pairs that you are trading on. So an EA doesn't control the market. Please understand, EA is just a piece of sophisticated application that makes your trading easier. That doesn't guarantee you that you are going to win each and every time. But yes, if you are new, then probably a good EA can help you to trade better. But yes, if you are a good trader, then manual trading is always better. If you are a good trader, good doesn't mean that you make a lot of profit. Good means consistent. Good means you are disciplined. Good means you know like where to close the trade, and you know where to exit, or you know where to enter. Even if you are making some losses, but you know that I need to enter or I need to exit at this point, maybe I can bear this kind of loss, but I don't want to bear an unbearable loss thereafter. So I'm talking about those. So as I generally suggest, like trade with at least 1,000 US dollars per pair. But yes, that is not sufficient. Okay, because an EA cannot control the economy of a country. It is going up or going down. EA cannot control, and it cannot foresee all these things. EA cannot foresee like where the war situations are happening, where some good things are happening, some bad things are happening. All will be be reflected within the forex market itself. Even some of the countries who are not involved, or they are not participating in the forex market, even those countries reflection their economy, plus or minus, they would be reflected in the forex market through concerned other currency pairs, not directly but indirectly, right? If the Gulf countries stop producing oil, or maybe they are undergoing some business pressure, or they have stopped certain kind of things that most of the countries used to avail their offer, or their like whatever they are offering, and if they stop certain things, or if they provide certain things, if that is going to make some progress, whether up or depreciate the thing, whether appreciate or either depreciate the thing of other country economy, then it will create a difference. It will show in these currency pairs and in the forex market actually. Sometimes I'm not using the right word, but yes, I think you understand what I mean to say. So as I said, you need not to trade with these four pairs, right? Even these two pairs, the AUD one, Euro AUD, and the GBP AUD, both are very risky and very volatile, and should not be used together. But the time when I started, it was working well, and when it happened like couple of months, then I thought that let it going like this. So I need to change the settings, but I will do it in next 2-3 months, and may try to apply that particular settings on a different account, maybe from a different broker or the same broker, that I have not decided yet. As I said, that EA cannot foresee the war situation. EA cannot foresee where the these COVID cases are more or less, or maybe what kind of casualties are happening, and indirectly or indirectly what countries are impacted, and who impose sections on which countries. I mean, anything like these are not an EA cannot see all these things, right? So you cannot blame an EA that the EA has made me loss. If you are a good trader, then try trade manually. Okay, so EA can EA has been coded on certain parameters, on certain fundamentals, on certain technicals, based on what happened in the past, but it cannot predict the future, right? Because market changes every day. Whatever the market was there 5 years back, it has completely changed when the pandemic started, right? And after that, now it has more changed in the last 2 years when the pandemic is there, and now after the war situation again, like it has made a huge impact. Some kind of economic events, like maybe interest rates, election, or that kind of stuff. Okay, that is fine because all people know about it, but we don't know about all these things, right? We cannot predict like whatever is going on in future. That is unpredictable, and in those cases even EA don't know what is going to happen, and the same thing like we also don't know. So EA is something that is just making your programming or your trading easier. It does not guarantee that you are going to win each and every time, and whatever the drawdown is, that is reflective of what is going on in the market. You cannot control the drawdown. You can just minimize your risk, but you cannot say that my drawdown will not going to increase by more than $100 or something, because in case if you have made a trade of sell and it is going on buy, and it has gone up to 500 pips or maybe 1000 pips, so you cannot change the market condition, right? Either you need to hedge that trade, or either you have to accept whatever is happening in the market. That's not the problem of an EA. EA does not know what you want. It works the way it has been programmed, right? Just to make your trading easier. That's it. So please don't over expect from an EA. So any like whatever expertise you have, like whether you are a good mechanic who can repair a car or maybe any other motor vehicle very easily, or maybe more efficiently, or maybe much better, whatever, right? Or maybe some other kind of skill that you have in your hands, probably you can earn much more because you know the work. But if you are in forex market, you don't even know like how it works, and I mean you don't like you have no expertise, right? You have no experience. Then why you are over exceeding your expectation just by putting pressure on your head? This is just my idea or just my view. Even there is no other investment in the market which can guarantee you 1% per month, then why exceeding the profit expectation 20%, 30%, 50%, 100%? Okay, so make sure whatever your expectations are, you need or you should be ready to take at least 3 to 4 times of that particular risk. If you are expecting 10%, then you should be ready to take the risk up to 50%, 40%, 30%, like whatever. I'm not saying like it is just a common thing. I'm not saying about any EA or anything. Anyways, let's go here. So with a deposit of 4,000, we have made a profit of 10,000 US dollars, and it is 11 months. That's a long history, and these are the trades going on right now. You see 118 point something, right? Okay, so I have just created the report. As you know that I used to generate the report at the end, so I have just created the report because it takes some time to populate because it's 11 months history. So I have just created it. You can go it over here. Let me start from. So it is just like whatever you have seen. You can see the date June 17th, right? So these are all the trades that you have already seen in the account history, and I will just download this report and will upload in the link. You will find a link there in the description where you can verify or you can view the trading activity using this particular EA. Whatever I'm showing in the video, you can just verify or tally it from there. Okay, so maybe in a day or two I will download this and will upload this report, but you can find other reports that whenever I used to create a video, I used to upload that report there. Maybe it could have been delayed by 1 or 2 days, but yes, I used to do that in most of my videos, right? It is not just about Hedge Expert, but most of my videos. So I just thought to create this video because like it's completing 11 months. That is a good considerable amount of time. Let me go it from here like this, because you can easily see this report later on as well. Okay, so this is what there. Right, as you can see, the floating was there, the same thing, 118 point something. It is 118 point. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. So I need to make some changes in the settings, and it is running very well as of now, and maybe like I will try to increase the pairs or change the pairs or make some settings, and we'll try to create another account maybe next year. I think like it's already June, and July we are going to complete 12 months, and maybe after 3-4 months or maybe early next year we will try it from any other account earlier. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Have a good weekend.